Oh.
You can't get him?
I can, but
They had the better angle on that phone.
yeah.
Good. We got guys back there. Go.
Okay.
Okay. Pick a taggy. Oh, fuck.
You're back in, Cody.
You're back in. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
You alright?
That hurts. No. Even when you tapped it, that hurts.
Oh shit! Fucking scared me. Oh.
Get him?
I pooped.
Oh, I got shit in my underwear. I got hit in the fucking balls like Tino.
We're gonna move through the building.
Cool.
Ready?
Yeah, they're in there. They're in there. There's like possible 3 of them in there.
I'm gonna stack up on the other side.
Hit!
Hit! Got friendly.
I got you.
Ready?
There was somebody down the far end a couple minutes ago.
That's out of gas. Clear. Back building.
Oh, clear.
Back building.
Friendly.
Oh wait, I'm friendly. Multicat's friendly.
That's called friendly fire.
They're all dead. Yes! God damn it! How many? Oh my God! I am done. Ah! Really? I'm on your team. God damn it! Fuck!
No one's over here.
What the fuck? God damn it!
God damn it.
Again?
Yeah, I got hit.
Same dude?
Yeah.
Fucking idiot.
Did he blind play? Fuck.
Friendly fire.
You alright, buddy? Yeah.
Friendly fire again.
Yeah.
Front spaz.
Come fast.
Rookie.